Hello friends, today we will learn how you can create an account on PayPal. First, open PayPal. Once it is open, you will see it says sign up. Here you can see personal and business written. Click on whichever account you want to open. Then click on this tab at the bottom. Enter your email ID here. After entering, click on next below. And here provide your phone number. Once done, to me, next. Here provide your password. You can see it says on the password field minimum 8 characters and 2 numbers. After that, click on next. And here you can enter your personal information such as first name,
first name,
last name, and date of birth. After all this is done below. Okay, the address page will open here and fill it in. Once that's done, below the box, go sports. So check the box. After checking it, below CL, click on create account below. After that, insert your debit card or credit, and here enter the expiry date, and here enter the security code. After it's done, click on the link button. If you like the video, then like and subscribe.